Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of medicinal plants, 15 incredible backyard herbs that have been used for centuries to heal, soothe, and nourish. You may already have some of these growing in your yard without realizing their powerful benefits. Let's count down from 15 to 1 and explore how these plants can support your health. We'll uncover their secrets, learn how to identify them, and discuss how to harness their power safely and respectfully. Starting off at number 15, we have plantain. Not the banana-like fruit, but the leafy green plant often dismissed as a weed. Plantain is a natural wound healer, great for insect bites, cuts, and even minor burns. Simply chew a leaf or crush it to make a poultice and apply directly to wounds. It helps to stop bleeding, reduce inflammation, and even draws out splinters. At number 14, mullein stands tall with its fuzzy leaves and striking yellow flower spikes. This plant is excellent for respiratory health, helping clear mucus and soothe coughs. Brew the dried leaves or flowers into a tea for relief. Coming in at number 13 is lemon balm, a fragrant member of the mint family. Known for its calming effects, it helps with anxiety and sleep issues. Steep fresh or dried leaves in tea or infuse in honey for a soothing treat. At number 12, the humble dandelion shines as a detoxifier. Every part of this plant is edible. The roots support liver health, while the leaves are a nutrient-rich diuretic. Use the root for tea or the leaves in salads. Number 11 is yarrow, a feathery-leaved plant known for its wound-healing properties. Apply crushed fresh leaves to wounds, or drink as a tea for colds. Yarrow is a great example of how beauty and practicality often go hand in hand in the natural world. At number 10, St. John's wort is famous for its mood-boosting properties. It's often used to alleviate mild depression and anxiety. Infuse in oil for topical use or take as a tea. Remember, while St. John's wort can be helpful, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. Number 9 is red clover, a sweet-smelling plant packed with antioxidants. It's often used to support hormonal balance and skin health. Brew flowers into tea. At number 8, nettle might sting, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in iron and vitamins, it's great for anemia and allergies. Cook leaves to remove the sting or make tea. Number 7 is marshmallow, the original source of marshmallows. Its roots soothe sore throats and digestive issues. Make tea from the roots. At number 6, hawthorn is a heart-healthy plant. Its berries and leaves support cardiovascular health. Make tea or tincture from berries and leaves. Number 5 is golden seal, a potent antimicrobial. Take as a tincture or tea. Due to overharvesting, it's crucial to source golden seal responsibly or consider growing your own. At number 4, elderberry is a flu-fighting superstar. Its berries boost immunity and reduce cold symptoms. Make syrup or tea from cooked berries. Number 3 is echinacea, the immune system's best friend. Its roots and flowers are used to fight infections. Take tea or tincture at first sign of illness. At number 2, calendula is a skin-soothing marvel. Its flowers heal cuts, burns, and rashes. Infuse in oil for salves. And finally, at number 1, burdock is a detoxifying champion. Its roots support liver and skin health. Use the root in tea or food. There you have it, 15 incredible medicinal plants that might already be growing in your backyard. Gardening isn't just about growing food. It's about cultivating health, wellness, and a deeper connection to nature. By embracing the medicinal power of plants, we tap into a tradition that's as old as time itself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep growing, keep healing, and keep thriving. See you in the garden.